Hey authors, Clayton Noblet here with Written Word Media, and today I'm going to explain everything you need to know about Kindle Countdown Deals. First, let's start with the basics. What is a Kindle Countdown Deal? Kindle Countdown Deals are a free marketing tool provided by Amazon. They are only available for books enrolled in KDP Select, and therefore exclusive to Amazon. So if you are not in KDP Select, you won't be able to do a countdown deal. Each book enrolled in KDP Select is allowed one Kindle Countdown Deal or free promotion per 90-day period. So if you have marked your book as free, you won't be able to do a Kindle Countdown Deal in the same 90-day period. Basically, Kindle Countdown Deals work by giving the customer a sense of urgency. They do this by dropping the book's price for a limited period of time and showing a countdown timer to the customer. When a customer sees a Kindle Countdown Deal, they know that the sooner they buy, the more they save. Urgency is a powerful motivator, and with Kindle Countdown Deals, Amazon has created a great way to take advantage. Running a Kindle Countdown Deal will result in more sales. As readers who visit your book page see the discount timer, they will be more likely to buy. And another big benefit, no matter how low you drop your price, you will still get 70% royalty of the sales. Normally on Amazon, a book priced below $2.99 would only net the author 35% royalty. So the countdown deal allows you to drop your price for a short period and retain full royalty of 70%. Not bad. Running a countdown deal on its own may increase sales, but to make the most of your deal, you should combine it with other marketing techniques to get more exposure. If more readers will buy because of the deal and sense of urgency, you should send as many readers as possible to that page during the deal. A great way to get more readers to the page is to run a bargain booksy feature with us at Written Word Media. You can also run Facebook ads or Amazon ads, use social media or mailing lists. Anything you can do to get more readers to your book page. In order to run a Kindle Countdown Deal, you must meet the eligibility requirements set out by Amazon. There are quite a few requirements in order to run a Kindle Countdown Deal, so we'll just focus on the ones most likely to trip you up. For a full list, check out the link I've put in the description. First, your book must be enrolled in KDP Select for at least 30 days before the countdown deal. Second, if your KDP enrollment is not going to automatically renew, then you cannot run a countdown deal in the last 14 days of your enrollment. If your enrollment is going to renew, then you can run promotions until the last few days of the enrollment period. Third, your book must be priced between $2.99 and $24.99 regularly. That means before the promotion starts, your book must be between these two price points. Fourth, your title cannot have changed price within the last 30 days. And fifth, your book must be available in the US or UK Amazon store. Okay, now let's go over how to set up a Kindle Countdown Deal. Okay, so we're in your KDP account, and I've gone to the Bookshelf tab. Here we can see all of the books that we've published. And to set up a Kindle Countdown Deal, we're going to start by clicking Promote and Advertise next to the book we want to promote. On this next page, we can see that our book is enrolled in KDP Select, and therefore eligible for a countdown deal. And we can select to run a Kindle Countdown Deal in this bottom left box. Once we've selected Kindle Countdown Deal, we hit the yellow button to create the deal. On this next page, we're setting up the details of the Kindle Countdown Deal. First, we select which Amazon store we want to run the deal in, and then we select the dates for our promotions. At most, a Kindle Countdown Deal can last for 7 days. Next, we pick how many different price points there will be during the Kindle Countdown Deal and the starting price. We can pick to have up to 5 price points over the course of 7 days, but it doesn't have to be as many as 5. Here I've selected 2, and I'll go ahead and choose the starting list price of 99 cents. Once we've selected these details, Amazon will calculate in this box below how our book will be priced and for how long. Change the details above to see how things in this box change. Once you're satisfied with your promotion, simply click Add Promotion and you're all set. Okay, so that's how Kindle Countdown Deals work. They are a powerful marketing tool, and when used correctly, they can be a game changer for authors. For more information on Kindle Countdown Deals, click the link in the description to read our blog post, or visit writtenwordmedia.com for more information on book promotion, marketing, publishing, and writing. Cheers!